So this is the field test for the realistic TRC1004. So we're not testing the Rotel on here, we're testing one of these, which is a customer one. Mr Chippie's got that on his car with the mag mount. These come within the kit, and I've got the Rotel 230 as our reference radio, which we know how it works.
Tango 21, Mr Chippie receiving.
Yeah, Tango 21. As he's driving along, he's just going to reach out and use it on the passenger seat, not wanting to be nobbled by police, although it's not illegal to do that. You don't want to have all the argument about it being a two-way radio, not a phone, so you're best doing these things at arm's length, and I'm sure it'll work fine.
Alright, we just come up to the end of the line.
Roger, got you at the end of the line.
Roger.
And I reiterate that he's using the mag mount that comes in with the kit. There's a little mag mount which is what, 70 centimeters long or something like that. And when we tested the Cybernet one of these last year, we tried two different ones and we never got further than Kedlby. When we tried the Maxcom 7E, we actually got all the way to 6 miles. So we'll see how the realistic does, because it was the most expensive one of the sets at the time. Roger, got you at a Ancaster service station.
Alright, we're now passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilson, over.
Yeah, it's really excellent. It's as good as a normal radio at that point.
Roger, that was quite noisy to me, but there you go.
Roger. Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Yes, Roger, loud and clear.
Yeah, nothing heard.
Roger, receiving you loud and clear. Roger, got you at the Kedlby turn, over. Roger. Well, that's as far as we got with the Cybernet one. So, I'm hearing him fine. So let's just see whether we can pick him up on the next one. Because that's the 4 mile point. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn. Got you at the Greyleys turn, over. So he's still not hearing us. Roger, got you going over Rawsby Level Crossing, also known as Greyleys Level Crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you if you copy. 10-10, thank you. Okay, so he did pick us up on the end. It's a little bit better because he's, you know, he goes to the wrong side of a hill, so we've lost the shadow of that hill. So, yeah, it was better than the Cybernet with the mag mount. It's not the set; it's these little mag mounts you get with them. So, to be honest, that wasn't bad at all. But next time we get one of those mag mounts in, we'll try it again. So that's with the customer's radio, which you saw me doing the service work on. The one that we had to get the power a bit better on, it was only doing 3 watts. We managed to get 3.8. So the Rotel 230, we're not testing the Rotel 230. That's here because it's been very carefully set up as a reference set. So there you are, the field test for the realistic TRC1004 emergency kit, and thanks for watching.